Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the ray tracing options in Pragmata. Let's begin by opening the options menu. From here, navigate to graphics. Look to the ray tracing option. Here you can toggle it on or off. As you can see, it changes the look of the game quite a bit, but the graphics memory is loaded up quite a bit more and processing load increases while using it. If your device supports it, you can also turn on or off the path tracing. Unfortunately, I cannot show you how it looks on my device. There is also the DLSS Ray Reconstruction, which also improves the ray tracing as does the path tracing. There is also the Global Illumination Quality, which you can only change when ray tracing is toggled off. But I will leave it turned on. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.